Are your windows or doors drafty, cracked, damaged, or simply outdated? Then it's time for a professional replacement from SoftLite. Worn-out exterior features not only affect appearance, but insufficient insulation can be costing you money. So what's the first step in replacing your windows or doors? Check and verify their size. You have your tape measure, but how do you go about finding the perfect fit for a replacement? Understanding basic parts can make it easier to measure your windows and doors. The side jamb is the vertical piece of trim on either side. The head jamb is the topmost horizontal piece of trim. The sill is the lowermost horizontal piece of trim, often referred to as the threshold for doors. Our SoftLite exterior experts recommend these basic practices when measuring. Tip number 1. Always measure from the inside of your house. If your home has a brick exterior, make sure the brick is not overlapping the rough opening. Tip number 2. Record all measurements to the nearest 1/8 inch using the format of width by length. Tip number 3. The reveal opening is the actual area you're measuring, the distance between the inside surrounding frame. Tip number 4. Remember to measure within the frame, not just the glass panes. To find the width, start with measuring the distance from the inner edge of one side jamb to the other. To find the length, then measure the distance between the sill or threshold and the head jamb. And lastly, tip number 5, always measure more than once to be sure. For more assistance with window or door replacement, contact the pros at SoftLite today.